Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Honda CR-V. First, gather your essential tools, including a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Have your new engine oil, typically around 4.5 to 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter ready before you begin. Now let's drain the old oil. First, slide under the front of your CR-V and locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to collect the used oil. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Locate the old oil filter, usually on the front or side of the engine block. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, let's add the new oil. First, ensure the drain plug is securely reinstalled. Then, carefully pour approximately 4.5 to 5 quarts of the recommended new engine oil into the oil fill cap on top of the engine. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level using the dipstick. Add more if needed. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.